stick smeared like a suicide note nobody wrote.